The new metal components allow for sleeker, more sophisticated silhouettes, boasting lower profiles than ever before. The first new component is the Xirius Flat Back Rivet, introduced with a palette of 10 colors and effects and 7 sizes. The second is the Cabochon Rivet, in 6 new colors and effects and 2 sizes. Both rivets are ideal for adding glamour to luxury leather goods, especially footwear and accessories. A close fit can be achieved with a flat, tiny back part and a smooth, ergonomic appearance. Choose the Xirius for its dazzle, the Cabochon for its silky pearl looks, or mix the two for on-trend style fusions. The 3 plating options, gold, gunmetal, and palladium, are all resistant to tarnishing, developed for use on leather. But what makes them indispensable is that they can be applied to various thicknesses without the need to pre-punch. For all new rivets and back parts, proper application tools are available for an easy and fast application. These include upper dies with white-colored inserts for Xirius Flat Back Rivets and upper dies with black-colored inserts for Cabochon Rivets.